What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another cooking video just for all you subscribers out there. Now today is going to be starting the beef portion of our keto barbecue series. And you guys know what that means. Now that we're changing meats, we got to make a new dry rub because, of course, that is the foundation of good barbecue. So today we're going to be making this beef dry rub. Now this goes on everything from my beef ribs to, brisket, or pretty much anything that I make that is beef. I've even put this on a prime rib one time. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, hang on tight so I can show you how to make it. Alright everybody, welcome to the recipe. Now before we can do anything with beef, we gotta make the beef dry rub. So right here we have a 1/4 cup of salt, a 1/4 cup of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw all this in a mixing bowl. So there goes our 1/4 cup of salt, our 1/4 cup of chili powder, and then the garlic powder, onion powder, mustard, black pepper, and finally the paprika. Go ahead and give this thing a nice good mixing. And then what I like to do is I have an Old Spice container here. This was garlic powder that I ran out that I have relabeled beef rub in the handwriting that no one can ever read except for me. And we're gonna go ahead and transfer this right into there for storage. Now this stuff will keep pretty much forever. Just check the expiration date on your spices and go with the soonest expiration date before you wanna throw this stuff out. If you're anything like me, you use this stuff for everything, so it's gonna be gone long before then, which is why I make such a large recipe. And that's really it, guys. Now we've got our container of beef rub, and we can go ahead and get started on all of our beef recipes. All right, everybody, now that you've seen the recipe, it is time for what would normally be the taste test. But as with the chicken and pork dry rub that I made a few days ago, I don't really see a point in stuffing a bunch of spices in my mouth and trying to describe the flavor to you guys, because you already know what the spices taste like. What I will say is there's a big difference between what I put on chicken and pork versus what I put on beef, because I feel like certain flavors complement the different meats a little bit better than others. So this is definitely designed just for beef, and if you're interested in something that's pork or chicken related, check out this video here for my pork and chicken dry rub. With that, guys, I'm gonna go and close the video. If you liked the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that, because we are gonna be using this recipe to make some brisket and burnt ends coming up here soon, and you'll definitely wanna be notified when that comes out. With that, guys, I will see you in the next one.